Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant error. This version of Vanguard requires Windows 20 H1 or later and may not function as expected, or it's also called as Van 9006 error. So let's go through this video. So the first method is restart your PC. For that, you simply click on the start option here and then click on power option and then select restart option. This will restart your PC and then launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. The second method is to run game as admin. For that, you simply go to the desktop icon, right click it on properties, select compatibility, and here you can see this option, run this program as an admin. Simply click on it, tap on apply and then on OK. If this doesn't work, simply click on disable full screen optimization, tap on apply and then on OK. Otherwise, go to this tab, click on run this program in compatibility mode and then select Windows 8 and then click on apply and then OK. And after that, launch the game and check if this works for you. The next method is update Windows. So for that, you simply go to the search box here and click for check for updates. Here you can see if there is any update available. If any update is available, simply update your Windows, restart your PC and then launch the game to fix the issue. The next method is run cmd command. So what you have to do is to simply go to the search box, type cmd, you can see the command prompt, simply select run as admin, click on yes and then copy this and simply paste it on here and press enter. You have to write bcdedit space slash set space hypervisorlaunchtype space off and then press enter. Once done, after that open Windows Security from the search box. Once it's open, here click on device security. After that, click on core isolation details and here you can see memory integrity is enabled. So simply turn it off. Once it's disabled, after that restart your PC and relaunch the game and then check if the error is resolved.